In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your theme's built-in mega menu in Shopify. A mega menu is a wide, visually rich dropdown that helps shoppers jump straight to the right categories, collections, or promotions. The best part is that many modern Shopify themes, including the free Dawn theme, let you set this up without writing any code. We'll start by structuring your navigation, then connect it to the mega menu settings in the theme editor, and finally add images or banners for a polished look. First, set up your menu structure in the Shopify admin. Head to Content and open the menu you want to edit, like your main menu. Create a top-level item that will trigger the mega menu, such as Shop or Collections. This top-level item acts like the container for everything that opens in the dropdown. Next, add your second-level items by creating more menu items and dragging them underneath your top-level item so they're nested correctly. You can go up to 3 levels deep, which gives you plenty of room to organize categories, subcategories, and even featured links. Keep your labels short and clear, and think about the order your customers expect to see. When everything looks right, click Save Menu. Saving here is important because the theme editor pulls from this exact navigation structure. Now, switch to the visual side. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize for your current theme. At the top, select Header from the sections list on the left. In the header settings, find the Mega Menu area and click Add Mega Menu Block. In the block settings, enter the exact name of the top-level menu item you created earlier, letter for letter. This is how the theme knows which drop-down to transform into a mega menu. From here, you'll see options to upload images, add promotional banners, or adjust the layout. Choose images that are consistent in size and feel. Keep file sizes optimized for speed, and use banners strategically to highlight seasonal offers or best sellers without overwhelming the menu. Align your columns so related items appear together, and aim for a logical left-to-right flow. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. To recap, you first defined a clear menu hierarchy in the admin, then connected that exact top-level item to a mega menu block in the theme editor, and finally layered in images and banners to guide shoppers visually. If something doesn't appear as expected, double-check that the block name matches your top-level item exactly and that your menu items are correctly nested. That's it. You now have a clean, organized mega menu powered by your theme.